In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change windows in Microsoft Edge. To begin, let's learn how to open a new window in Microsoft Edge. You have two options here. The first option is to press Ctrl and N on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut is quick and efficient. It allows you to open a new Edge window without navigating through menus. Alternatively, you can also use your mouse. Simply click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the Edge window. This opens a menu with various options. From this menu, select the option that says New Window. Both methods work effectively, so choose the one that feels most comfortable for you. Next, after you've opened a new window, you might want to switch to the window you want to change. This is crucial because it allows you to have multiple browsing sessions open at once. To do this, simply click on the Microsoft Edge icon located on your taskbar. This icon is usually pinned for quick access. When you click it, all open Edge windows will appear, and you can see which one you want to switch to. This step is important as it helps you navigate your browsing experience seamlessly. Now, once you have clicked the Microsoft Edge icon on the taskbar, look for the window that you want to change. This is where your browsing activities might differ based on your needs. As you hover over the different windows, you will see a tiny preview. This gives you a visual of which window is which. It's a great way to ensure you are selecting the right one. Click on that window to switch to it. You will see that the window comes to the forefront of your screen. This makes it easier to manage your tasks efficiently. After you have selected the desired window, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its contents. This step is valuable as it allows you to ensure you are working in the right context. Look at the tabs open in this window. Make sure they are the ones you want to work with. If not, you can easily switch back to another window using the same method. This flexibility is one of the advantages of using multiple windows in Edge. With that ready, you can now go ahead and make any changes you need in this active window. Whether it's browsing a new site, changing settings, or downloading files, being in the correct window is crucial. This organization helps reduce confusion and keeps your workflow streamlined. If you ever find yourself needing to return to a previous window, the process is just as simple as before. You can always click the Edge icon again to see all your open windows. To summarize, we opened a new window, switched to it, and ensured we were in the correct context for our tasks. Each of these steps is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Remember to use the keyboard shortcuts or the taskbar options based on what suits you best. By mastering these simple actions, you enhance your productivity in Microsoft Edge significantly. Thank you for following along, and happy browsing!